Yeah, here is question number 12. A curve has equation y equal to e power x square over x minus 2 for x less than 2. Find the value of dy by dx when x equal to 0. So first we need to find dy by dx. So given equation y equal to e power x square over x minus 2. So is quotient rule, numerator and denominator. So I'll take u equal to e power x square. So du equal to, so e power x square into x derivatives 2x. So which becomes 2x into e power x square. So next v equal to x minus 2, which is dv equal to x derivative 1 has constant derivative 0. So dy by dx. So d by dx into u by v equal to v into du minus u into dv over v square. So now I'll write dy by dx equal to v into du. V is going to be x minus 2. X minus 2 into du is 2x into e power x square minus v into minus u into dv. So u is going to be e power x square into dv is going to be 1 over x minus 2 whole square. So now we'll simplify numerator. I'll bring e power x square out. So the rest is going to be 2x into x minus 2. So minus 1 over x minus 2 whole square. So this is our dy by dx. So we need to find at x equal to 0. So we need to plug in x equal to 0 here. So at x equal to 0, so dy by dx become so x equal to 0, so e power 0, then here 2 into 0 bracket 0 minus 2 minus 1 over 0 minus 2 whole square. So e power 0, n number power 0 is 1. 1 into this entire thing 0. 0 minus 1 over here negative 2 square is 4. The answer is negative 1 over 4. This is the answer dy by dx at x equal to 0. This is our final answer here. Next one, when x equal to 0, so x equal to 0 is connected to the before question. Y is increasing at the rate of 0. Y is increasing at rate of 0.5. So dy by dt is given. So dy by dt equal to 0.5. So we need to find change of x. So we need to find dx over dt. Yeah, we need to find dx over dt. Okay, so I'll write dy by dt. We can write dy by dx into dx by dt. Already we know dy by dt, which is 0.5. It's given in the question, equal to at x equal to 0. Dy by dx is connected to the before question, which is negative 1 by 4. Negative 1 by 4 into dx by dt. So rearrange now. Dx by dt equal to 0.5 over negative 1 over 4, which is negative 0.5 times negative 4, which is going to be negative, sorry, here no negative, so only 0.5 times negative 4, which is going to be negative 2. So dx by dt equal to negative 2. That's the final answer.